I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a trailing stop loss on Webull. First, open the Webull app and navigate to the stock you wish to trade. Tap the Trade button, then select Sell if you already own shares, or Buy if you're opening a new position with a trailing stop. This initial step is crucial for accessing the advanced order types. Ensure you understand the current market price before proceeding. Once on the order screen, change the order type from limit or market to trailing stop. You'll then need to input your trailing amount. This can be a specific dollar amount, for example, $2, or a percentage, such as 3.5%. This amount dictates how far the price can drop from its peak before your stop loss is triggered. Carefully consider your risk tolerance here. Next, you'll see the limit offset field. This is important because when your trailing stop is triggered, it converts into a limit order. The limit offset specifies the maximum difference between the trigger price and your actual sell price. For instance, if your stop triggers at $10 and your offset is 10 cents, your limit order will be placed at $9.90. This helps prevent selling at an undesirable price during rapid drops. Before confirming, always double-check all the details of your trailing stop loss order. Make sure the trailing amount and limit offset are set correctly for your strategy. Once confirmed, your order will be active and adjust automatically with price movements. Remember, market conditions can change rapidly, so it's wise to periodically review your open orders. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.